Hello YouTube. Oh, it feels freaking great to be on the bike. I've just been so freaking busy with work. Just haven't had the time to get on here at all. You know, I was fighting a crappy battery and got that fixed. Some maintenance, got all that done, and today, getting a new tire on the back. It's been bald for the last, well, it was bald since I bought it. So, I think it's about time for a new tire. So, that's what we're doing today. It's kind of brisk out. We've been getting 90 degrees and I mean just humid as shit. Where you sit outside in the shade and the sweat just starts rolling. It was 58 degrees this morning. That's kind of gonna have some weird Indiana weather this year. It's not been typical at all. And where I'm at, we've gotten like no rain. And then the other day we got rain like 3 days in a row, but we didn't have rain for a month. And I mean, trees were starting to die, my grass was turning brown, which I don't care, it means I ain't got to cut it as much. So I'm guessing everybody else has had a busy spring also. There's a couple people that I watch, YouTube videos, motor vloggers, and I'm not seeing anything getting put out. So maybe just, you know, maybe it's not just me, maybe everybody's having a busy start of summer. I tell you, you know, sometimes life just, it gets in the way of things. So, 10 miles down the road, so far, bike's doing just fine. Put some coils in it, adjusted the valves. Just, you know, your basic wintertime maintenance. And so far, just running just fine. The coil change was definitely needed because last year it was lacking a lot of power. I mean, with two people, it's a 600, and with two people it was barely pulling them around. I mean, the coils were bad and I just didn't, you know, I just don't like working on the bike in the summer. You know, I want to have it down for 3 months in the winter, get everything done at once, and then just not have to mess with it. Just oil changes in the summer, and that's it. I mean, it doesn't always work that way, but you know, it got me through last year. So I was like, you know what? Duck it. It runs, I'll ride it.